Today we're going to talk about AOPS Introduction to Algebra problem 20.43. So it says solve the equation root 4x plus 1 minus root x minus 11 equals root 2x minus 4. So firstly we square both sides. So when you have a square root or multiple square roots, you try to put all the square roots on different sides and you try to square them. So if you have 3 square roots, you put 2 square roots on one side and you put 1 square root on the other. But this equation has already helped us done that, so you don't need to do anything. We just square both sides. So we have root 4x plus 1 minus root x minus 11 squared, and 2x minus 4, root 2x minus 4 squared is just 2x minus 4. So if we expand this expression here, we have 4x plus 1 minus 2 times 4x plus 1 times x minus 11 plus x minus 11 equals 2x minus 4. So we have 4x plus 1 minus 2, and if you expand this expression inside, you have 4x squared minus 44x plus x minus 11 plus x minus 11 equals 2x minus 4. So now we have a square root here that we want to factor out. We want to square both sides again, but we have to make sure that only this square root is on one side of the equation. We put everything else to the other side. So we have negative 2 4x squared minus 44x. So we simplify that, it's minus 43x minus 11 plus 5x minus 10 equals 2x minus 4. If we move these to the other side and leaving the square root here, then we have 2x minus 5x, that's negative 3x. Negative 4 plus 10 is plus 6. So we have this equation here. If we square both sides, we get 4 times 4x squared minus 43. 4 times 4x squared minus 43x minus 11 equals, so if you square this expression here, we have 9x squared minus 36x plus 36. If we expand the left side, we get 16x squared minus 3 times 4 is 12, 172x minus 44, which is equal to 9x squared minus 36x plus 36. So if we move this all to the other side and we simplify everything, then we get 7x squared minus 136x minus 80 equals 0. So we can try and factor that out. So let's try a few numbers. We have 1, 7 on the left side, since that's our only choice. And then on the right side, we have, let's say we try 16, and then 80 divided by 16 is 5. Let's say we have negative 16, so what's that? 6 times 7 is 12, 1 times 7 is 7, plus 4 is 112, plus 5, that is less than negative 136, so that does not work. And if we try 1, 7, let's say we try 24, and we get that 20 be the negative term. We have negative 140 plus 4 equals negative 136. So that factorization works for us. So if we factor this expression out, then we'll get x minus 20 times 7x plus 4 equals 0. So this is simple because we know that for this expression to be true, either x equals 0 or 7x plus 4 equals 0, which means that x is negative 7 over 4. Negative 4 over 7. So now we just see if there are any extraneous solutions, because we squared both sides for a couple of times. So we have to plug these two values into the original equation and see if they work. So the original equation is 4x plus 1 minus root x minus 11 equals root 2x minus 4. So if we plug 20 in, we have root 81 minus root 9 equals root 36. So we have 9 minus 3 equals 6. That works because 6 is equal to 6. So this works. This is part of our answer. Now let's try out negative 4 over 7. So if we plug negative 4 over 7 in, we have negative 16 over 7 plus 1. However, clearly this value is less than 1. This value is less than 0. But this is impossible for a real number square root. You can't have a number inside be less than 0. So x equals negative 4 over 7 doesn't work. So our final answer is x equals 20. So I hope you like this video and you learned something. This question involves squaring and also checking for extra solutions. And it also involves the understanding of the concept of square roots. So bye.